How to add LinkedIn link to Outlook signature. Good day, folks, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to the channel, boys and girls. I'm going to show you how you can personalize your emails that you're sending on the Outlook app by adding a LinkedIn link. So let's go straight in. On the top left-hand side, you will see that you can create a new mail. So once you go into new mail, you're going to have to look for your signature tab, which is up at the top over here. You'll see, make sure that message on the top left is selected, and you're going to go ahead and look for signature. Now, it is this icon right over here. And if you're using the website version, it may be slightly different, but the icon will look the same. You're going to tap on signatures. Now, right over here, you will see that the very top box is where you actually store all your signatures. So you can select whichever signature you would like to use at any given time. So what we're going to do here on the right-hand side of this box is there is a new button, and we are going to now create a new signature. So over here, you're going to type the name of the signature, and we're just going to go in and say signature 1 for example purposes, and we're going to tap on OK. Now at the bottom over here, you can see it says edit signature, and here you can change everything about your signature. So we're going to set it up, and we're going to come back here in just a moment. So the next thing we want to do is go over to our LinkedIn profile, and we're going to take our LinkedIn profile URL, and we are going to copy that. So on the top right hand side, there is a Me tab. You're going to tap on View Profile, and we're going to copy that URL right at the top over there. So let's copy that, and the next thing you want to do is go into Unsplash.com. Now, Unsplash.com is a royalty-free website, so you can get pictures royalty-free. And if you type in LinkedIn, you will get something like this. There are a few others, but I've chosen this one. So what we're going to do is we're going to download this LinkedIn logo over here. Another way of doing it is going into a Google search tab and just typing in LinkedIn logo, tapping enter, going into images, and having a look for a logo there, and you can use any one of these as well. Then we're going to go and save this logo, or you're going to save this logo, and I've gone ahead and already saved this logo. Now this is the important part. You can see the size over here on the right hand side says medium, and that size over there we're going to take into an app called Canva. Now, if you've ever used Canva, it's very easy to use. This is their homepage. We're going to tap on custom size over here. We're going to create a little logo. So we're going to use the same dimensions as the actual logo over here. So it is 1920 by 535, and we're going to go ahead and type it in 1920 by 535 and say create new design. Now once we've created new design, we can go in here and import that image that we've saved. I have gone ahead and already imported it, so I'm going to just load it up. And once you load it up, you can now resize it on this canvas. So I'm going to just go ahead and resize it like that. And then we can go ahead and add some text. So the text can say, check out my profile here. Okay, and we're going to take that text and we're going to put it up over here. We're going to just obviously resize this completely. And we can export it. Now on the right hand side, you will see there's a share button. You're going to tap on that, and at the bottom there's a download button. We're going to go ahead and just tap on the purple download button. Now we have an image that we can add to our email. We're going to go back to our email signature body over here, and on the right hand side you will see that it says there's a little picture of your computer. We're going to tap on that. This will allow you to insert a picture. So you're going to locate the picture that we just downloaded, and it is right over here. We're going to tap on insert. And there you go. Now it is uploaded. And the next thing that we need to do, just next to the upload image, there is a globe and a link icon, and we're going to tap on that. Now once you tap on that, that URL that we copied earlier on can go into the bottom box over here that says address, and we are going to literally just paste it in there. We're going to tap on OK, and you can see now that this will now become our signature. We can go ahead now and tap on OK, and this is now a saved signature. So when we're sending emails, you will see this at the bottom of your email, and whoever is receiving the email, they will be able to click on the signature and it'll redirect them directly to your LinkedIn profile. There we go, folks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can drop us a like. We'll see you in another awesome video. Cheerio.